All right, guys. So today I want to show you how to find your Instagram email account password. For whatever reason you forgot what it was, I'll show you where you can find it. Now, when this video helps you, if you could consider helping the channel out by liking or subscribing, just really easy way to support the work we're doing here. We'd really appreciate it. But let's jump in. So obviously we need to start by opening up our Instagram and then go to our accounts page. At the very top of your account, there's these three lines. Let's open this up. This menu. There we go. And then the first option here is Accounts Center. Now this is going to open up your Meta Account Center. If you didn't know, Instagram is owned by Meta, which also owns Facebook. So a lot of this information is going to be shared across your Facebook and Instagram if you have both. We have to go down to the account settings and find personal details. Inside of personal details is going to have all of your contact information, your email, your phone, your birthday, everything. Now, obviously this is going to be blurred out because this is my real contact information, but you should see it here. Now, if you click on your email, let's see here, all the way through, you'll see that these are the accounts that your email is tied to. Now, this is because you can have multiple emails associated with these accounts. So to find which one is attached to which Instagram account, you'll have to do this, but all my accounts are under one email. So that's how you're going to find your email. I hope it helps. Again, if it does, like the video, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.